today what are we going to discuss? We are going to discuss Ram Avatar, right? Because Ram Navami is coming on 21st. So we are going to discuss Ram Avatar. Everyone knows Ram, right? Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Hanuman, right? Everyone knows this, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, very good. So आज हम लोग we will learn about Ram. We will अभी हमारी ना राम की स्टोरी बहुत बड़ी है. So we will not be able to finish it in one session. So we will do it in 2-3 sessions, okay? Because it is not only the story that we want to know, but also what are the lessons from this pastime.
Hari bol Mataji, Hari bol Mataji.
Hari bol Amog. Welcome to the class. So the idea is that we should learn from the pastimes, okay? So we are going to hear the story also, and we are going to discuss the learnings also from it, okay? Sure. So this is, we will start with a small kirtan. Okay, so this is just 4-liner from the Dasha Avatar Stotra. Vitarashiti Kshurane Vikapati Kanivayam Dashamukha Mauli Balinam Rani Ramanyam Keshavadrita Rama Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare Keshavadrita Rama Sharira Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare Jai Jagadisha Hare. Let us start. So now, we are going to start with Ravan first. You all like Ravan?
No, Mataji.
You don't like Ravan.
Never.
So you know what? So you know
Mataji, in Bangalore, literally people worship Ravan.
Yeah, I know. It's because we all have Ravan in us. We all have qualities of Ravan in us. And you know what? When we did this drama, of Ramayana with all the kids,
Ravan with 10 heads and no brains.
I was shocked to see that there were many kids who wanted to perform the role of Ravana. I mean, I can understand people, kids want to perform a role of Ram, Sita, Lakshman, Bharat and all, but some kids were like very curious to perform the role of Ravana. So I thought, wow, I think kids like Ravana because
but with brains.
Ravana is very catchy character. So let us hear about Ravana. Okay, before everyone on mute, and then once you have questions, then let me know. Okay, so everyone on mute. Yeah. So now first of all, let us hear about Ravana. So what are we saying? Ravana has 10 heads. Everyone knows, right? Ravana has 10 heads, right? But does he have 10 brain? उतना सोचता है क्या? ठीक है. Now let us see what all उसके करामत देखते हैं और फिर हम then we will come to this conclusion कि whether he really thinks. Okay, चलो. So this Ravan was a very powerful demon. Okay, demon मतलब पता है ना आपको राक्षस. आपको कुछ इंग्लिश वर्ड समझ में नहीं आया तो then ask me. Okay, I will try to make a combination of Hindi and English. So Ravan was a very, 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 very powerful demon. Okay, and what was his aim? He wanted to conquer all the 3 worlds. He wanted to conquer heaven. He wanted to conquer Akash, Patal, Bhulok, everything he wanted to conquer, and he wanted to become the king of everything. And he wanted to build a staircase from his house, from his palace to heaven. Staircase, जीना होता है ना? So he wanted to build that staircase to heaven. So he wanted to become very powerful, very powerful. So, and he wanted to become immortal. Abhi immortal matlab he never wanted to die. Now no one likes to die, but our destiny is that someday or the other we'll become old and we'll die. But Ravan, he never wanted to die. So he wanted to become immortal. So he thought that how can I achieve this target of becoming immortal and very powerful? So what they used to do is they used to perform austerity. मतलब एक पैर पे खड़े रह के नाम जाप करने का. Okay, so he performed a lot of austerity, and for many years, for hundreds of years, he performed this austerity. And what he used to do is he used to cut his head and offer it. He used to cut his head and offer it. इतना austerity करता था. He used to constantly chant the name of the Lord, and he was a great devotee of Shiva. Okay, Shiva, and then he had, because of all these austerities and all that, he had gained a lot of knowledge of Vedas, a lot of scriptures he had studied, and he had gained a lot of enormous knowledge he had gained. So knowledge gain kya, okay. Then what happened is, and he wanted to become immortal, so he prayed to Brahma every time. He was praying, and then he was cutting his head, offering it, and then when he was cutting his 10th head and offering it, Brahma appeared. Okay, Brahma appeared in front of him and asked him, "What boon do you want, Baba? So much austerity you are doing. What do you want?" So he said, Brahma. So then when Brahma came in front of him, he offered obeisance to Brahma, and then he told Brahma, Lord Brahma, thank you for appearing in front of me. I want to become immortal. मतलब मुझे अमर होना है, मतलब मुझे कभी भी नहीं मरना है. So Brahma said, अरे, what is this boon you are asking? Even I am not immortal. मैं भी अमर नहीं हूँ. After certain number of years, maybe a large number of years, even I have to die. All the gods have to die. I am also not immortal, so I cannot give you that boon. So then Ravana started thinking, अरे ये क्या गड़बड़ हो गया? मैंने इतना सारा austerity किया, and Brahma is saying he cannot make me immortal. So then he said, okay, can you do one thing? None of the gods and none of the demigods should be able to kill me. ठीक है, ना मुझे कोई भगवान से मुझे मृत्यु नहीं आना चाहिए, या कोई राक्षस से भी मृत्यु नहीं आना चाहिए. And he said, वो humans वगैरह ना, जो इंसान और animals है ना, they are okay. I will be able to handle them. But I should not be killed by any god or by any rakshasa. So then Brahma said, okay, tathastu. Brahma gave this boon to Ravana. And Brahma and Ravana also, and Brahma also said that, in your navel मतलब navel पता है ना आपको, stomach में वो hole होता है, that is called navel, right? In the navel, he said that I will give you an amrut का a small vessel type, छोटा सा, that so that anyone hurts you anywhere, you will not be killed, but only when that vessel breaks, which is kept in the navel, that time only you will be killed. So that is how Brahma gives him the boon. Okay, all these things you remember carefully, because in the end of the story, all these things becomes very important. When you hear it now, you will be able to relate to what you have heard now. Okay, so then and you know what? Then Brahma says Tathastu, and then Brahma goes away. And ये रावणा का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन कौन है? विष्णु, because he knew कि Vishnu is super powerful. He knew that, but Vishnu ऐसा कुछ boon देगा नहीं. Brahma will give, Shiva will give, but Vishnu will not do all this thing. So and Vishnu, he basically takes care of his devotees, right? So you all are nice, wonderful devotees of Vishnu, right? You're all nice devotees of Krishna. That is why we call you Krishna kids. Yeah. So so his biggest enemy was Vishnu. So he became very powerful because he became immortal, and he became immortal, and he had gained a lot of knowledge. So then, because he became very powerful, what he used to do is he fought with all the gods. He fought with Gandharvas, he fought with Yakshas, and he captured their kingdom. And now, because he went to higher planets, he captured their kingdom, and now everyone was scared of him. Then he also fought with Kuvera. Kuvera, you know, right? Treasurer of all the gods. मतलब जो सारा gods का पैसा वैसा सब संभालता है. He is called treasurer. So he also fought with Kuvera. He won from Kuvera this Pushpak Viman. Okay, this is Pushpak Viman. You know what are the features of this Pushpak Viman? ये Pushpak Viman ना, अभी जैसे हमारे हाथ में हम कार चलाते तो we have a steering wheel, right? Then based on the steering wheel, the car will take its direction. Or we have in the scooter, we have a driving handle, right? So
I know this story full.
Okay, good.
Ravana, the complex Asura.
Okay, good. So then what happened is this Pushpak Viman is basically works on the desire of the master. Now the master became Ravana because he won Pushpak Viman from Kuvera. So you don't have to tell Pushpak Viman, अरे यहाँ ले चलो, अरे वहाँ ले चलो. You just have to desire कि मुझे यहाँ जाना है. Okay, Pushpak Viman automatically understand the desire of the master and it will take. And then Pushpak
Mataji,
expand based on the wishes of the master or based on the requirements. So Pushpak Viman can carry the entire Sena also in it. Okay, and it can shrink also based on the requirement. Okay, it can become wide, it can shrink also. So it can expand unlimitedly. Then it is so beautiful, so beautiful. There are so many pillars made of gems, jewels, and all, artificial trees. Then golden fruits and very, very, very beautifully made. So this was Kuvera's plane, which Ravana snatched it away in a war with Kuvera, and now Ravana had the control of this Pushpak Viman, and then he was going around everywhere with all these Rakshasas and all. So one day what happened is, this Ravana was going through various forests, rivers and all that, and he was enjoying all the beauty, landscapes and all, okay. And one day while he was going, he saw, then what happened is there was one beautiful lady who was meditating, okay, on something. So she was sitting with closed eyes and all. And this Rakshasa, this Ravan, उसको कुछ भी सुंदर दिखेगा तो उसकी मति मारी जाती है. So he saw that beautiful lady, and he came to he came down. He brought his Pushpak Viman down, and he asked, beautiful lady, what are you doing here? So she said that my name is Vedavati, and I am daughter of Brahaspati, and I am born as incarnation of Vedas. Okay. So she said that actually I am meditating because I want to marry Vishnu, and I only want to marry Vishnu. I don't want to marry anyone else. So then Vishnu ka Sam sunte hi Ravan got very angry. Vishnu, what is kept in that Vishnu? Why do you want to marry Vishnu? You become my wife. I will take you to Lanka and there you can rule. What is there about Vishnu? Just leave him. So Vedavati became very angry when she heard Ravana talking like this. She said, go away from here. I don't want to talk with you. And then Ravana, he became further angry. He snatched her hair. Okay. And when he was about to do that, Vedavati was anyway, just because she was meditating for thousands of years, she had got a lot of power in herself. Okay. So then she recited some mantras and Ravana was pushed away. Okay. But now, because Ravana touched her, even for a moment, she touched her. She said, now that you have touched her, I cannot live in this body. I will have to give up this body. So she said, now I am going to give up this body. And then she cursed. Usne usko shaap diya. Okay, Vedavati ne Ravana ko shaap diya. What curse did she give? She said, I will appear on this earth again. Okay. And I will, as a daughter of a virtuous person, and I will ensure that your entire race is destroyed. मतलब आप सब पूरा आपका क्या कहते हैं घर क्या खानदान का नाश हो. Okay, I will come as a daughter of a great sage or a virtuous person, and आपका पूरा खानदान का नाश हो जाएगा. That is how she curses him. And then she chants some.
Miss, Mataji, what does Khandan ka nash mean?
खानदान मतलब your entire race. आपके बच्चे, आपके बच्चों के बच्चे, आपके माता पिता, entire family.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, आपके सारा खानदान का पूरा नाश हो जाएगा. And then she invoked certain mantras, and then her body caught fire, and then she left the body. Now Ravana thought, ये क्या lady है? What is this? He just ignored her and he went ahead. He started his journey further. Okay, he just forgot it, and then he said, ठीक है, and he boarded his Pushpak Viman, वापस Pushpak Viman में बैठ गए, and he started his journey further. Then while he was going, उसका विमान है ना, पुष्पक विमान अचानक से रुक गया. Okay, suddenly it stopped, and then he was wondering, अरे, how can Pushpak Viman suddenly stop? And then he saw, whom did he see? He saw Nandi. Who is Nandi? Shiva's Vahan. So he saw Nandi. Yeah. And Nandi stopped him. Stop. Where are you going? He said, boss, I am Ravana. I am crossing this. You cannot stop me. So Nandi said, boss, this is Shivaloka. You cannot cross this mountain. Okay, that is what Nandi said. Then he said, how can you stop me? You monkey-faced animal. Okay, and now he says he is insulting Nandi. You monkey-faced animal. Who is Shiva anyway? I don't care about who is Shiva and all. Oh, no, just listen, Shiva. Now Ravana is great devotee of Shiva. He worshipped Shiva for so many years. And now he's saying, who is Shiva anyway? I don't care about Shiva and all. you monkey face one, just go out of my way. Now Nandi became very angry, very angry. Nandi said, you have to get into a fight with me, you have to kill me, and then only you can cross this mountain, otherwise you cannot cross this mountain. And then Nandi cursed him that, you call me monkey faced, you are any which ways you are killed by your sins, and because you call me as a monkey form, in the monkey form, there will be on the earth, there will be many monkeys that will be born, and that will wipe off your race. That means आपके पूरे खानदान को पूरी monkey की सेना खत्म कर देगी. Okay, that is what curse Nandi gives to Ravana. Okay, Ravana said, Ravana disregard है, ऐसे कुछ होता नहीं है, छोड़ो. Okay, and then what happened is, I am going to go. And then what Ravana did is, वो कैलाश पर्वत है ना, उसने क्या किया, कैलाश पर्वत के नीचे से हाथ रखा, and then he wanted to lift कैलाश पर्वत. Okay, मतलब ऐसे हिला के उसको फेंक देगा. That is what he thought. Okay, so he put his hand down below कैलाश पर्वत, and then Shiva and Parvati were sitting at a place, and Parvati suddenly, अगर पूरा पर्वत हिल गया ना, so Parvati became very scared, and then she was about to fall. And then Parvati said, Prabhu, ye kya ho raha hai? So something, please look into it. Then Shiva understood that this Ravana has come, and Ravana needs to be taught a lesson. ये इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही हो गया, इसको थोड़ा सिखाना पड़ेगा. So then Shiva said, then Shiva stood up and he put his foot down. Okay, उसने उसका पैर जोर से रखा, और वो कैलाश पर्वत इतना heavy हो गया, and Ravana was trying to lift it, and now Shiva is pressing it down. So then it started giving enormous pain to Ravana, and Parvati was very angry. कि मेरे को, I mean, some demon is coming and moving the parvat like this. What is all this? So she got very angry, and so she said that this person's death will be caused by a woman. Okay, what did Parvati curse Ravana? That your death will be caused by a woman. So and then now he was trying to lift the mountain, and Shiva was pressing it from above. Now since Shiva was pressing it from above, his hand started paining. For hundreds of years he was trying to push the mountain up, but Shiva was pressing it down, and then the pain became so unbearable. And then Ravana started reciting Samaveda prayers, which is in glorification of Shiva. Okay, and because it was spoken in glorification of Shiva, Shiva ka praises इसमें था, इसके लिए Shiva ultimately got pleased on Ravan. वो खुश हो गया रावण पे कि because, and then he said, ठीक है चलो, I will forgive you, ठीक है मैं आपको माफ कर देता हूँ. And then Shiva removed his leg, and then Ravana came in front of Shiva, and then Ravana said sorry to Shiva that I'm really sorry. But abhi Ravana है ना, very crooked fellow, okay, very cunning fellow, a very smart fellow. What did Ravana do? Ravana said, my dear Lord, I'm sorry that I did this. And Ravana said, okay, if you are happy with me, or if you're pleased with me, can I get your weapon Pashupati? Okay. तो रावणा ने क्या किया, उसमें भी चांस मार लिया, उसमें भी उसने बोला कि अगर if you can give me your weapon Pashupati. Now Shiva, right, he gets satisfied very quickly, और जो भी जिसको मांगता है दे देते हैं Shiva, Lord Shiva. But Shiva is a very nice devotee of Lord Vishnu. Okay, that we have to always keep in mind. Shiva always meditates on Vishnu. Now Shiva got happy got pleased with Ravana. तो उन्होंने बोला okay तथास्तु. तो शिवा ने अपना वेपन पशुपति किसको दे दिया, रावणा को दे दिया. अभी नाउ रावणा फेल्ट वेरी पावरफुल, वाह मेरे को तो पशुपति वेपन मिल गया. He was very happy.
Mataji?
Yeah, Shreyasi?
Ma'am, Mataji, I want to ask that Pashupati means Trishul or what?
एक weapon होता है which is a very powerful weapon which Shiva has, and which can kill thousands of people at the same time. It's like a blazing fire weapon. So then he became very happy, and then again he boarded the plane. Okay, he boarded the plane, and he went to he again started going here and there. फिर उसने सोचा, then he came across the earth पे इतने सारे humans थे. Then he thought, अरे ये तो human race जो है, ये इतने सारे human race है, I should kill all of them. I should show my supremacy over them. क्योंकि टुडे तो दिस ह्यूमंस आर नॉट वर्शिपिंग मी, ठीक है, ये तो विष्णु को वर्शिप करते हैं, गॉड्स को वर्शिप करते हैं, आई शुड शो देम दैट आई एम पावरफुल. Okay, that time the world was ruled by King Anaranya. Okay, and then he got into a fight with Anaranya. और इस सेना के साथ एकदम घमासान युद्ध किया, बहुत युद्ध किया. And all these Rakshasas, sometimes they were going up in the sky, sometimes they were disappearing, sometimes they were hiding, and they were doing all kinds of tricks with with the army of Anaranya. And then they were throwing urine, they were throwing stool, they were throwing blood, flesh, and all on everything. But Anaranya was giving him a very tough fight, very tough fight. Okay, his Sena was giving him very tough fight, and the fierce battle was going on for days. And eventually what happened is Anaranya was giving very tough fight. He used all his weapons. Now Anaranya was also very powerful king. Okay, he was very powerful king ruling the entire earth, but he was giving very tough fight. But in the end what happened is then he started losing, and when he started losing in energy, and then eventually in the fight he was injured very severely. उसको बहुत severely जख्मी किया रावण ने. And then he was about to leave his breath, मतलब वो मरने ही वाले थे. So he said, then Ravan started laughing, ha ha ha, now that I have killed you, right? So then see, why were you fighting? You should have accepted me as your king, right? Why are you fighting unnecessarily? So Anaranya became very very angry. He said, it is not that I have been killed by you. Death comes to everyone. Everyone has to die, and I have death has come to me because it is in my destiny. अभी मेरा समय आ गया था मरने का, इसके लिए मैं मर रहा हूँ. ऐसे नहीं कि तूने मुझे मारा है, right? रावणा, तेरा भी मृत्यु बहुत जल्दी आएगा. You will also die very soon. So see, Ravana is only getting curses. Nobody is giving him good wishes, right? In the entire stories that we saw, Ravana is only getting cursed because of his misdeeds. He is only harassing everyone, and he is only getting curses. Okay.
Mataji, when Nandi comes in between Ravana, he kills Nandi also.
No, Nandi doesn't kill. Nandi doesn't get killed. Nandi is protected by Shiva, no?
Then how he goes?
नहीं, Shiva intervenes, no? He doesn't kill Nandi. Nandi says कि मुझे मारने तक आप जा नहीं सकते, but Ravana disregards. And Ravana क्या करता है? Then he starts to lift Kailash Parvat. And when he performs that action, when Parvat is about to fall, Shiva says, "Don't worry, I am there." And then because Shiva is intervening, Nandi doesn't get into comes into picture. He leaves it on Shiva.
Okay, Mataji.
So then what happens is Ravana now doesn't bother about the curse.
Mataji.
Yeah.
Mataji, अब आप इंग्लिश में बता रहे थे, इंग्लिश समझ नहीं आ रही, हिंदी में बताइए ना.
मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों बताती हूँ, ठीक है? So then what happens? हाँ, तो क्या होता है बाद में? Then वो तो अनारण्य को मार देता है. अनारण्य फिर then he dies. And then अनारण्य उसको बोलता है कि you will also die soon. Okay? अनारण्य भी उसको शाप देता है कि आप भी बहुत जल्दी मरोगे. तो रावणा, he doesn't pay heed. आपको जो बोलना है बोलो, I don't care. Okay, that is how he says. And then he moves on. वापस again he boards his पुष्पक विमान में बैठते हैं, and then he goes to heaven. वो स्वर्ग लोक का. Then he goes to heaven, and heaven में he sees beautiful Apsara, Rambha. Now this Rambha is wife of Nala Kuvera. Nala Kuvera पता है ना आपको? इसका कुवेरा का बेटा Nala Kuvera. So Nala Kuvera की wife है Rambha. He sees Rambha. Now Rambha is very beautiful because anyway she is Apsara in the heaven. तो बहुत सुंदर थी, and Ravana gets attracted towards her, and he disrespects her. He harasses her. Nala Kuvera becomes very angry. Then he says, he also gives him a curse. वो उसको शाप देता है कि if you harass any woman without her consent, you will be dead. क्या बोलते हैं कि अगर आपने किसी भी लेडी को छेड़ा विदाउट हर कंसेंट, अगर उसके इच्छा के बगैर, देन यू विल डाई, आप मर जाओगे. दैट इज हाउ ही कर्सेस. अभी ये तो पूरे जग पे he is doing all this misdeeds and everywhere is creating chaos and only he is getting curses. Okay, then what happens is abhi sab again he boards his pushpak viman, but what happens is when he curses this, no, when Nalakuvara curses this that you will be dead if you touch any woman, then वो थोड़ा डर जाता है, वो बोलता है कि अरे बाप रे ये तो थोड़ा बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है, so now I have to be little careful, if I touch any woman I will die. अभी कोई चांस तो नहीं लेगा ना अभी, क्योंकि वुमेन तो ह्यूमन हो सकती है, बिकॉज उसने क्या बोला कि मुझे ह्यूमन और एनिमल से मुझे उनसे डर नहीं है, मुझे कोई राक्षस नहीं मारना चाहिए, गॉड नहीं मारना चाहिए, ह्यूमन और एनिमल्स तो मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा. अभी इसने इसको क्या शाप दिया कि इफ यू टच अ वुमेन विदाउट हर कंसेंट, उसके इच्छा के बिना, देन यू विल डाई. तो वो थोड़ा डर गया. ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज फिर भी वो ज्यादा उसका दिमाग उसने चलाया नहीं, he again boarded पुष्पक विमान और वापस वो चल पड़ा. Then what happens when he was going, he met Narada. Okay, now Narada, you know, right? He always sings glories of Narayan. Narayana, 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 Bhajamana Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. And Narada is everyone's friend. Okay, so Narayan तो सबके friend है. So and what happened is Ravana, बाकी सबको तो ऐसे सारे जो ऋषि मुनि थे तो उनके साथ तो उसका कुछ जमता नहीं था, उनको तो बहुत त्रास देता था. बट विथ नारद मुनि नो, he was very nice and sweet because Narad Muni used to give him good advice. So Narad Muni now listen very carefully. Okay, now Narad Muni is very, Narad Muni is very wise and very devoted to Krishna. Now Narad Muni, what he does is, now Narad Muni saw he is now creating chaos everywhere. He is creating chaos. So Narad Muni said, Narad Muni wanted to stop this because these innocent people, innocent gods, sages and all that, they're all getting disturbed by all this. So Narad Muni was thinking, Narad Muni spoke with Ravana. Okay, he said, why are you harassing this innocent people? ये तो वैसे भी दुखी हैं, ये वैसे भी मरने वाले हैं, ये वैसे भी रोग राही से कुछ न कुछ से पीड़ित है. Why are you harassing them? Why don't you और वैसे भी मरने वाले हैं, why don't you show your power to Yamraj? Okay, so then he tells that why don't you show power to Yamraj? You can win.
Mataji, who is Yamraj?
Yamraj is Yamduta. Yamlok, पता है आपको मरने के बाद यमलोक जाना होता है?
No.
नहीं पता. Okay, so when we leave our body, okay, then based on the sins that we have done, then Yamraj क्या करते हैं कि Yamadutas are his servants. So Yamadutas come and take us when we die. Yamadutas come and they take us. And then Yamadutas show, okay, पूरे अपनी लाइफ की पिक्चर देखते हैं. अच्छा इसने अच्छे काम किए, इसने बुरे काम किए, पूरा अपना अकाउंट देखता है लाइफ का. बुरे काम किए, चलो इसको शिक्षा करो, अच्छे काम किए, चलो इसको हेवन में भेजो. अरे नहीं, बहुत चैंटिंग किया है, इसको वैकुंठ भेजो, इसको गोलोक भेजो. अरे ये तो रोज चैंटिंग करता था, इतना ये तो वैष्णवा है, कृष्ण का भक्त है, नहीं इसको वैकुंठ भेजो, है इसको गोलोक भेजो. अरे नहीं, इसकी मम्मी रोज बोलती थी चैंटिंग करने के लिए, सुनता ही नहीं था और सबसे झगड़ा करता था, मम्मी डैडी पे चिल्लाता था और ऐसे करता था, चलो इसको नर्क में भेजो. राइट, so all this calculations now which is done by Yamraj. Okay, so and okay. One thing, you don't have to be fearful of Yamraj because Yamraj is one of the 12 Mahajanas and Yamraj is very nice devotee of Krishna and Yamraj functions on the orders of Krishna. Okay, so whoever is Krishna Bhakt, आप सब लोग कृष्ण भक्त हो तो यमराज आपको बिल्कुल त्रास नहीं देंगे because you are chanting night. So Yamraj is your friend. लेकिन whoever is not Krishna Bhakta, whoever disregards Krishna, whoever disregards scriptures, जो नहीं सुनते, जो कथा नहीं सुनते, जो जाप नहीं करते, जो कृष्णा को पावरफुल नहीं समझते, then Yamraj is very angry on them. And then Yamraj says, तेरे को बोला था फिर भी नहीं करता है, ठीक है चल तेरे को ये punishment. Right? That is what Yamraj does. Okay? He is जैसे कोर्ट में होता है ना, डिसाइड करते हैं ना कि कौन सही है कौन गलत है. That is like in the end of our life, Yamraj decides whether you will go to Goloka or whether you will go to Narkaloka. Okay?
Yes,
so that is
Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji,
या
पूछना है आपसे आपको
बोलो। अच्छा ठीक है चलो। So then what happens is वो कहते हैं कि now यमराज no one can fight with यमराज, क्योंकि यमराज is like end, क्योंकि अभी यमराज is going to be the justice, he is going to do justice, right? So then he says नारद मुनि को कहते हैं कि go and fight with यमराज, what are you fighting with the चुन्नू मुन्नू people, है ना, वो तो वैसे भी मरने वाले हैं, वैसे भी यमराज उनको लेके जाने वाला है, why don't you fight with the people like of your this thing, fight with यमराज. Okay, then he says, this is a very good idea. I like your idea. Let us go and fight with Yamraj. Okay, then he boards on his Pushpak Viman and then he goes to Yamaloka. Then Yamaloka में वो जब जाते हैं ना, so then he sees one set of land, okay, one set of area, जहाँ पे these Yamadutas who are servants of Yamraj, they are beating people, they are pouring hot oil on them, they are making them walk on hot sand, गरम गरम रेती पे चलने लगाते हैं, गरम गरम तेल डालते हैं, और they make them walk through the grass जिसका blades are like very sharp, और पूरा हाथ कटेगा ऐसा, पूरा आंग कटेगा ऐसा. So those are the areas where you committed all the sins. जो हम सब पाप करते हैं, वो जब पाप जो हम करते हैं उसका हमको भुगतना पड़ता है, right? We have to those sins का हमको suffering भुगतना पड़ता है, and that suffering Yamaraj gives in hell, that is called hell. Then he sees he doesn't like all that, and he goes next. Then he says, wow, people are enjoying nice landscape, nice waterfall, nice resort type of an atmosphere. So that is called heaven. जो हम लोग पुण्य करते हैं, so then we go there, right? So that is why we say पाप पुण्य and all that, right? So पुण्य करने चाहिए, और अच्छे पुण्य करने चाहिए which pleases Krishna. Okay. So yeah.
माताजी
Aditri.
Ma'am, Mataji, I want to say that means what if means someone has done pap also and punya also? What if he has done both?
हाँ, तो पाप भी करेगा पुण्य भी करेगा तो क्या कहा जाएगा ऐसा? हाँ, तो पाप करेगा तो he has to suffer, उसको उसका पनिशमेंट तो मिलेगा, और पुण्य करेगा तो he has to enjoy, उसको उसका एंजॉय भी करना पड़ेगा. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने पाप किया 10 पाप किया और 10 पुण्य किया तो नेट ऑफ हो गया, अभी मेरे को अभी पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं होगा. जो मैंने पाप किया उसका सपोर्ट मेरे को लेना ही पड़ेगा, जो मैंने पुण्य किया उसका एंजॉयमेंट मेरे को भी करना पड़ेगा. या ठीक है, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन. Then what happens is he goes to then he goes to Yamaloka. फिर देखता है, फिर then he challenges Yamduta, then he rages a war against Yamduta.
Mataji,
Yeah.
my sister have a story about some people can do pap and punya both. So
Everyone, all of us do pap and punya both, right? So we saw that earth, right? You remember that universe we saw. पाप करेंगे तो नीचे जाएंगे, पुण्य करेंगे तो ऊपर जाएंगे, लेकिन हमको कहाँ जाना है? हमको नाम जप करके we have to get out of this universe and go to Goloka.
Mataji,
Yeah.
Mataji,
1 second, Aditri. Yes, Ram. Quickly, come on.
माताजी, तो अगर जो भक्ति भी करे और पाप भी करे वो कहाँ जाएंगे?
भक्ति भी करेंगे पाप भी करेंगे तो क्या होता है कि कृष्णा doesn't leave you because you are his devotee. तो कृष्णा says, okay, I will always give you a chance. You are my loving child. So he will always give such an atmosphere कि आपकी भक्ति चालू रहे. आपको हमेशा forgive से. कृष्णा is not like a strict father who will say कि नहीं तूने अभी पाप किया तो. He is like our mother, right? He loves us. तो वो हम अगर गलती भी करते हैं ना तो वो हमको बहुत सारे चांसेस देते हैं. या मम्मी जब भी हमसे कुछ गलती होती है, मम्मी हम पे चिल्लाती है, लेकिन मम्मी क्या बोलती है? ठीक है चलो बेटा अगली बार नहीं करना, right? But that happens only to devotees of Krishna, right? Only if you're chanting, only if you're in bhakti, then only Krishna forgives you. But if you're not into bhakti, if you're not a nice devotee, then Krishna will say, boss, तूने गलती की है, तेरे को punishment भुगतना पड़ेगा, right? But if you are in bhakti, Krishna will always forgive you. Krishna will say, अच्छा बेटा ठीक है, अगली बार नहीं करना. कृष्णा एक बार फॉरगिव करेगा, 10 बार फॉरगिव करेगा, 15 बार फॉरगिव करेगा. लेकिन अगर बच्चा सुधर ही नहीं रहा है तो फिर मम्मी भी डांट ही देती है ना, एक तो लगा के दे ही देती है ना, बियॉन्ड द पॉइंट. ठीक है, चलो. So then, yeah, Aditri, you were saying something.
Mataji, yes, I was saying the sharp which Nandi gave to Ravana was that the monkey, many monkeys will kill him. Afterwards, they were the Vanasena, na?
I'm coming to that. So then what happens is, then they attack Yamaloka, and then fierce fights goes on between Rakshasas and Yamadutas. And then Yamaduta started losing. वो हारने लगते यमदूता. फिर रावणा के सारे सेना को लगता है हाँ हम लोग जीत रहे. Yeah, 1 second, just let me finish, okay? Then let me finish this, then you can ask questions. So then what happens is, okay, then what happens is बहुत fierce fight होता है दोनों में, यमदूतास में और राक्षसा में. And when Yamraj comes to know कि अभी यमदूता हारने वाले हैं, तो then Yamraj comes very angrily, he comes in front of Ravana, और वो अपनी पूरा मेज निकालता है, मेज of death, कि अभी उसको मारेगा तो रावण मर जाएगा. Okay, उतने में what happens? Brahma comes. Okay, Brahma comes from the sky, and Brahma, when he comes, Ravana cannot see him, and Brahma comes and tells Yamraj that see, I have given him a boon. मैंने उसको ऐसा ये दिया है, boon को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में, मैंने उसको ऐसा boon दिया है कि वो किसी से भी नहीं मरेगा except for animals and humans. तो अगर आप उसको अगर मारोगे तो मैंने जो उसको वरदान दिया है वो वरदान ये हो जाएगा, मतलब उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं रहेगा. So please don't kill Ravana. Now when Brahma says this, Yamaraj says, okay sir, now you are saying, okay my lord, I will obey your orders. And then Yamaraj, he disappears. Okay, and then Ravana thinks, मैं तो जीत गया. यमराज को, रावणा को तो पता नहीं होता कि ब्रह्मा आके उसको ऐसे बता के गए हैं करके यमराज डिसअपियर हो गए. Okay, so that is how Ravana, उसका इतना वो सब जगह he was only creating a mess of all the things, right? So Ravana attacked Yamaloka. This was the picture. Okay, then so you see what are the learnings from this, right? So Ravana had immense knowledge. उसके पास बहुत knowledge था, उसके पास बहुत strength थी, लेकिन उसको ये नहीं पता था कि उसका knowledge कैसे use करे, right? और eventually ultimately आपको पता है रावणा को क्या हो गया? Ravana was killed, and everybody was only cursing God. And why he had?
How was he killed?
Sorry?
But how was he killed, Mataji?
We are going to cover that story. We are going to cover entire Ramayana. Okay, beta? So, and why he had no intelligence? Because he had no respect for God. He had no respect for scriptures, right? This happens in our real life also. Our mother tells us that, आप study करो, नहीं तो आप exam में आपको अच्छे नहीं marks मिलेंगे. You know that, these are my duties. You know what are right things for me to do. I should get up early. I should chant. I should study. I should respect my parents. I should help others. मुझे किसी के साथ jealousy नहीं करनी चाहिए. हमको ये सब चीजें पता है. This is called knowledge. लेकिन अगर हम लोग ये knowledge apply नहीं करते हैं और हमको जैसे मन चाहा हम वैसे behave करेंगे, तो what happens? Then we behave like Ravana. Correct, no? हम lazy बनते हैं. हमको जो मन में आया वैसे करने का है. हमको भगवान के लिए प्यार नहीं है. We have no gratitude towards God who is providing us food, who has given us such nice parents who takes care of us, right? भगवान हमसे बिल मांगता है कि बड़ा बिल देता है हमको, हमने he gives us sunlight, he gives us rain, he gives us nice soil. हमको बिल बेचता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बिल जैसे, ये अभी तुम्हारा बिल है, बिल भरो. Does he send the bill to the farmers? No, ना. And if he sends the bill कि अभी 30 दिन का ये मैंने सनलाइट दिया है, ये देखो ये बिल, आप ये बिल भरो, मम्मी डैडी को बोलते हैं ऐसे बिल भरने के लिए? नहीं ना, he gives rain. Rain का बिल आता है अपने पास? नहीं, right? So we should have gratitude towards God because He takes our, He loves us, He takes care of us, right? But if we do not have gratitude towards God, we are all Ravanas, right? Now, how shall we? What should we do that we do not behave like Ravana? Okay, now I'm going to put a poll. Okay, everyone ready for the poll? Okay, you have to answer this.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Zoe
Mataji.
Didi has put all the polls in one question only, one poll only. Oh. Zoe Didi has done this mistake. Now what do we do? Actually, I had told her to put one question in each poll, but she put all the questions in one poll. Okay, what we will do is we will have a poll in the end. Okay, poll end में करेंगे हम लोग क्योंकि सारे questions Zoe Didi ने एक ही.
Okay, Mataji. I'll remind you.
Yeah, remind me. Okay, and remind me of the activity also that we are going to do. Okay.
Ma'am, how many polls? Mataji, how many polls are there?
No, now we have only one poll because Zoe Didi by mistake put all the questions in one poll only.
No, how many questions are there?
Five questions are there. Okay, check. So these are the questions, but we will see it later in the poll. Okay. So now you decide whether you want to behave like Ravana or you want to behave like good boys and girls. Okay, good, nice devotees of Krishna. Okay. Now अभी हमने Ravana देखा. Now we will look at the story of Dashrath. Okay. Now Dashrath was a very powerful king. He was ruling the entire world, okay? And capital was Ayodhya. वो पूरे जग पे he used to take care of his citizens very nice. सारे उसके जो kingdom में थे, everyone was very happy. People were used to love him a lot, and वो सारे he used to train them materially also, spiritually also. Spiritually means he used to tell them कि भगवान कौन है, हमको भगवान की प्रार्थना करनी चाहिए, हमको भगवान की पूजा करनी चाहिए. That is how he used to encourage people to go closer to God. Okay. लेकिन वो बड़ा दुखी था. Why was he sad? Because he had no sons, right? And he was growing old. वो बूढ़ा हो रहा था और उसको 3 पत्नियां थी. He had 3 wives, Kaushalya, Sumitra and Kaikai. लेकिन he did not have any son. So he was very sad. So one day he met priest Vashishta and he said that we should do something. I do not have a child और मुझे retire होना है. अगर मैं retire नहीं होऊंगा तो how will I progress spiritually? मैं Krishna, I want to chant Krishna's name. I want to sing his glories. I want to do kirtan. अगर मैं if I do not come out of this responsibilities, then I will not be able to retire. मैं retire नहीं हो पाऊंगा. So I need a son. So then Vashishta Rishi said that, don't worry. I have heard from Sanat Kumara that soon you will have a son. So he became very happy. Then he said, should we do Ashwamedh Yajna? Then they decided that, they will do Ashwamedh Yajna. And so then, they called a lot of priests, a lot of kings and all that, okay, for this Yajna. Abhi Ashwamedh Yajna mein kya hota hai ki there is a horse, okay, and before this Yajna starts, this horse is let free. उसको वो घोड़े को ना free जाने देते हैं. उसको जहाँ जाना होगा वो घोड़ा जा सकता है. And he will go in different kingdoms. Okay, this horse will go in different kingdoms. और उसको जहाँ होना वो जाएगा. और उसको जहाँ पे भी रोका गया, okay, someone stops him, then either one is nobody should stop him. But if someone and nobody should stop him and people should pay offer homage to him. Okay, but if stops him, then he has to fight with the king and show that he is powerful. Okay, than King Dashrath. ऐसा. तो अश्वमेध का घोड़ा जो है वो पूरे अर्थ में चक्कर लगा के आया, लेकिन उसको किसी ने स्टॉप नहीं किया. ओके, एवरीवन एक्सेप्टेड हिज सुप्रीमेसी. एवरीवन सेड कि नहीं, वी अग्री, हमको पता, हम भी अग्री क्या है, यू आर आवर किंग. एंड वो पूरा घोड़ा पूरा अर्थ का चक्कर लगा के ही केम बैक टू अयोध्या. एंड देन एवरीवन वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि वो घोड़ा आ गया वापस. एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड द यज्ञ. फिर यज्ञ किया, there was lot of sages came, lot of king came, lot of gifts and all that they bought, and everyone was very happy because एक यज्ञ है बड़ा, बहुत सारा अच्छा religious कुछ तो ceremony हो रहा है. Everyone was very happy. King also was very happy. King तो gave, he said, you take my earth, पूरा अर्थ दे दिया sages को. Sages said, what will we do with earth? We do not want earth because we are not protector of the earth. आप ही प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हो अर्थ को, तो भूमि माता को आप ही रखिए, हमको थोड़ा बहुत कुछ दे दीजिए. तो then what the King Dashrath did is he gave them lot of gold, right? सोना दिया, चांदी दिया, हीरे जवाहरात दे दिए. He gave them lot of all this precious things to all the sages. Okay. Then what happened is then last thing came. Okay, पूरा सेरेमनी खत्म होने को आया, फाइनल रिचुअल हो रहा था. ओके, फाइनल रिचुअल. अभी ना थोड़ा सा ये दशरथ को डर लग रहा था, पूरा सेरेमनी तो हो गया. आई होप दैट विष्णु इज हैप्पी, एंड ही न्यू कि अगर विष्णु खुश नहीं है तो मुझे लड़का नहीं होगा. ही हैज टू सेटिस्फाई विष्णु बिकॉज ओनली विष्णु कैन गिव दैट गिफ्ट टू हिम. ओनली कृष्णा कैन गिव गिफ्ट टू दिस boon. ये वरदान सिर्फ कृष्ण भगवान ही दे सकते हैं दशरथ को. अभी आपको पता है ना, वो यज्ञ में जो स्मोक निकलता है ऊपर से, that smoke was going up in the sky. और and ये क्या करते हैं इसमें कि सारे भगवान को इन्वोक करते हैं, मतलब बुलाते हैं, एंड देन उनको ऑफर किया जाता है, राइट? वी ऑफर ऑब्लिगेशंस टू ऑल द गॉड्स. ठीक है, और सारे भगवान ऊपर आते हैं, will not be seen by us, but they all come in the sky and they take their share. Okay, now all these gods along with Brahma, they came up in the sky. Okay, and they started discussing. Okay, वो सारे बात करने लगे. वो बात ये करने लगे कि रावण आया है, रावण is troubling us a lot. Okay, रावण हमको हमारे सैक्रिफाइसेस, हमारे यज्ञ करने नहीं देता. अगर हम लोग यज्ञ करते हैं तो वो यूरिन डाल देता है, स्टूल डाल देता है, ब्लड डाल देता है, फ्लैश डाल देता है, ताकि हमारे सारी सैक्रिफाइस डिस्टर्ब हो जाए, एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म आवर सैक्रिफाइसेस. So they were telling Brahma, please do something. We need something to be done because otherwise we are not able to perform our sacrifices. Something needs to be done. So then Brahma said, okay, let me see. Then he meditated on who? Then he meditated on Vishnu. तो ब्रह्मा किसके पास गए? विष्णु के पास गए. Meditate में आँख बंद करके he is speaking with Vishnu. And Vishnu heard his prayers. विष्णु ने उनका prayers सुना, और विष्णु ने क्या कहा? विष्णु ने उनको बोला कि मैं आऊंगा, I will come as eldest son. मैं eldest son of दशरथा, मैं दशरथा का सबसे बड़ा लड़का करके आऊंगा, और मेरे सारे जो वेपन्स हैं, वेपन्स मेरे छोटे भाई करके आएंगे. और उन्होंने उनको बोला कि आप सारे गॉड्स, राइट? इंद्र, सूर्य, चंद्र, he told them all the gods, you अभी गॉड्स कैसे, they have to do their job. जैसे इन सूर्य को सूर्य प्रकाश देना है, राइट? इंद्र को रेनफॉल देना है. Everyone has got his job to do. He said, you can expand. You continue doing your jobs, but you expand in form of monkeys. Listen very carefully. Yeah? What does Vishnu tell all these gods? That he tells all these demigods, he tells them that you expand as form of very powerful monkeys and go to the earth. Okay, and become very, and then they said okay, and become very powerful monkeys like lions. एकदम खूंखार monkeys बनो आप, एकदम powerful monkeys, and go to the earth. And I will come very soon in human form as son of Dasharath. Okay, then all gods became very angry. They said, Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol. They all said, okay. So then Indra took, expanded as Vali. Then Surya expanded as Sugriv. We are going to see all this. Okay, those of you who do not know this story, I'll let you know. Okay. So then what happened is, and then from the fire, there came a nice, handsome, tall, celestial being came from the fire. He gave him a pot. He handed over pot to Dasharath, and he said, give this to your wives and you will have 4 sons. तो उसने क्या किया? What did Dasharath do? Dasharath gave half pot to Kaikeyi, half pot to Kaushalya, and Kaushalya ने उसका थोड़ा पार्ट सुमित्रा को दिया, और Kaikeyi ने थोड़ा पार्ट सुमित्रा को दिया. So then later on they gave birth to 4 sons, right? Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughna. Okay, Lakshman and Shatrughna were twins. Okay, Kaushalya's son was Ram, and Sumitra's son was Lakshman and Shatrughna, and Kaikeya's son was Bharat. Okay. Then they were all growing up nicely. Everyone was very happy. King was very happy. All the citizens were very happy, and everything was going on very nicely. King was training them also very nicely. They all become very big and all. Okay, they came in their youth, and they were very nice. सब कुछ एकदम अच्छे से मस्त चल रहा था. One day what happened? एक दिन विश्वामित्र ऋषि came to दशरथ, और उसने बोला कि रावण के जो राक्षस है हमको बहुत परेशान कर रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए आप मुझे अपने बेटे राम और लक्ष्मण को दो, so that I can take them to the forest. I will kill the rakshasas with their help. मैं राक्षसास को मार दूंगा with their help. तो अभी विश्वामित्र was also very powerful sage. वो तो खुद भी मार सकते थे, but he did not want to take that sin of, because he was performing all those rituals. उनको वो sin नहीं लेना था. क्षत्रियास तो मार सकते हैं, क्षत्रियास का तो वो काम ही है to protect everyone. तो क्षत्रियास तो मार सकते हैं. So then he said कि आप मुझे आपके दो बेटे चाहिए, राम और लक्ष्मण. So then he said, "Bapre, no, they are so young. I cannot give them. They are so young. मैं तो वो तो रावण तो इतना पावरफुल, रावण और उसके राक्षस तो इतने पावरफुल है, वो तो मेरे तो बच्चों को तो मार देगा. मैं तो एक मिनट भी नहीं रह सकता राम के सिवा. No, please don't take. He started crying. He started begging to Vishwamitra, please don't take my son. I will personally come with my army, but please don't take my son. Please don't take my son. Vishwamitra got very angry. What is this? I come to you, you tell me, ask what you want, and when I ask you, you say that I cannot give you. What is this? I totally disagree with you. So then Vashishta Rishi went and explained this Dasharath, see, your son is very powerful, don't worry, nothing will happen. So he explained him, and then Dasharath was very, 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 very sad. But Dasharath said, "ठीक है, चलो, because you are saying so, I will allow my son to go." तो ठीक है, फिर उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक है, आप राम और लक्ष्मण को लेके जाओ. तो राम और लक्ष्मण फिर बाद में जाते हैं विश्वामित्र के साथ, फॉरेस्ट से जाते हैं. Okay, then they pass through the forest, and then what happens is when they are next day when they were passing through the forest and they were going to Vishwamitra's place, and then suddenly they saw this Tataka demon. She was a lady demon, okay, very khunkar demon. And then Vishwamitra said, "Kill Rama, kill that demon." So Rama said, "But she is a woman, how can I kill her?" So she said, "Even if she is a woman, she is a demon. Earlier she was a nice princess, but then she got married with someone, and her husband got killed by that sage, and the sage cursed her to become a demon. So she was very beautiful, but then she became a demon." So then he said, "No, you kill her, she's a demon." तो उसने क्या किया, ठीक है, what I will do is, then he cut off her hands, he cut off his legs, he cut off her head, and then उसको वैसे ही मरने दिया. That is how he killed Tataka demon. Okay, see the demon, she's so big, right? And but Rama being very powerful, he killed Tataka demon. They further went to their place, and then Vishwamitra, he went into 6 days ka Maun Vrat. Okay, and then he started performing his rituals, and he said that end of, ये पहले नहीं आएंगे राक्षस, एंड के आपके छठे दिन ये दो राक्षस आएंगे. दो राक्षस का नाम है मरीच और सुबाहु. ये दो राक्षस आएंगे और बड़ा हल्ला मचाएंगे. एंड देन सेम थिंग हैपेंड ऑन द 6th day. जब भी इनका खत्म होने वाला था रिचुअल, तभी ये दोनों आ गए. See, they were pouring blood in it, pouring flesh, bones and everything. सारे गंदी चीजें डाल रहे थे वो यज्ञ कुंड में. And then Ram and Lakshman, they came, and then they saw these demons. Okay, वो मरीचि को तो एक बाण मारा तो मरीचि ऐसे दूर फेंका गया, और दूसरा सुबाहु को भी मार डाला. But मरीचि ran away, मरीचि survived. Okay, but Subahu got killed in that. So that is how he became. He killed all the demons, and then everyone said, "Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol."
Mataji, it is Marichi or Maricha, because it is that slide. It's written Maricha, and then you are saying Marichi.
Maricha.
Maricha.
Okay. So then what happened is then they killed, and everyone was very happy. कि चलो अभी 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 हमको हमारी अभी सारी सैक्रिफाइस जो होगी अभी शांति से होगी, अभी
हरे
हमको
कृष्णा
कोई
माता
परेशान
जी।
नहीं करेगा। हाँ नित्यांगी,
माता जी, ये ऊपर जो ये दो राक्षस है वो दो कौन है?
एक का नाम है मरीचा और दूसरा का नाम है सुबाहु। ये रावण के हैं, ये रावण के राक्षस है। और ये लोग ना सब बहुत मस्ती करते थे, सारे ऋषि मुनि को कुछ भी पूजा नहीं करने देते थे। तो उनको तो ऋषि मुनि बड़े दुखी होते थे कि हम पूजा ही नहीं कर पा रहे, हम लोग विष्णु को कुछ ऑफर ही नहीं कर पा रहे, तो वो बड़े बड़े दुखी होते थे। इसके लिए उन्होंने राम को बोला कि अभी आप इनको मारो तो ताकि हम लोग हमारी पूजा पाठ ठीक से कर पाए। ओके, तो फिर राम भगवान ने उनको एक बाण से मार दिया दोनों को। मरीचा को, मरीचा तो बच गया, मरीचा भाग गया, लेकिन सुबाहु को मार डाला। ओके, फिर बाद में क्या हुआ, या फिर then what happened is then everyone was very happy that you know now they can perform their sacrifices very nicely. फिर उसके बाद में राम और लक्ष्मण ने उनको पूछा ना व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर, अभी हम आगे आप बताइए अभी हमको क्या करना है। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, विश्वामित्र ने बोला अभी हम लोग मिथिला जाएंगे करके। तो मिथिला गए, मिथिला में जनक राजा के साथ मिले। जनक राजा ने बोला देन he went there, जनक राजा ने बोला कि I am looking for a groom for my daughter, ठीक है, मेरे बेटे के लिए मैं अच्छा सा हस्बैंड ढूंढ रहा हूँ, तो लड़का ढूंढ रहा हूँ। तो वो बोले कि लेकिन ऐसी कंडीशन है कि एक शिवा का एक बहुत बड़ा बो है, ओके, one whosoever picks up that bow he can marry my daughter Sita. Okay, so Vishwamitra said that you know, then he asked who are this beautiful handsome you know boys with you. Ram and Lakshman were there, उनके साथ थे राम और लक्ष्मण। He said this is Ram, this is Lakshman, ये दशरथ के पुत्र है। तो विश्वामित्र ने बोला कि इनको भी ट्राई करने दो। जनक said yes why not. So then Ram said Ram took permission of Vishwamitra, Ram took permission of Janak, and फिर उसने शिवा का वो ना कोई उठा ही नहीं पाता था, वो हजारों किंग आके गए वो बो उठाने के लिए। they were trying to pick up that bow but no one was able to pick up that bow, and Ram he just paid obeisances to the bow and he just lifted it up ऐसे एकदम आसानी से, जैसे मैं पेन उठाती हूँ ना ऐसे उसने ऐसे उठा लिया बो को। and everyone was like struggling, परेशान हो गए थे उठाने के लिए, but they could not lift the bow। पर राम ने तो ये उठा लिया। फिर उसने वो को थोड़ा बेंड किया टाई करने के लिए, तो वो टूट ही गया और इतना आवाज आया थंडर जैसे, पूरा धरती कांप उठी, राइट। एंड he picked up that bow and everyone was very happy. Sita was also very happy because she wanted to marry Ram, right? When she saw Ram, she is also goddess of fortune, right? तो लक्ष्मी देवी, तो she was very happy। और फिर बाद में क्या हुआ, जनक was also very happy। फिर उन्होंने दशरथ राजा को मैसेज भेजा कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ है, एंड देन यू नो जनका wants to give his daughter to Ram, आप रेडी हो क्या। फिर दशरथ वहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, एंड दशरथ said yes I am ready for this marriage, and then Ram marries Sita। देखा आपने, right? Ram marries Sita, right? Then what happens, and everyone is happy, wow, Ram married Sita। फिर लक्ष्मण और भरत और शत्रुघ्न का भी सीता के सिस्टर्स के साथ उनकी भी शादी हो जाती है ना।
रुचिका मावशी,
हाँ
मला एक डाऊट आहे, आधी
बोल ना।
पूर्वीच्या काळात लहान असताना लग्न करायचे ना?
हो, पण आता हे मोठं असताना केलेले ह्यांचे। यूथ होते, they were youth, they were not very small kids।
माताजी,
हाँ,
सीता की जो 3 बहन थी उनके नाम क्या थे?
सीता के बहन के नाम हम आपको बताते हैं, लेकिन लक्ष्मण भरत और शत्रुघ्न तीनों का शादी सीता के बहनों के साथ हो गया। ओके, देन व्हाट हैपेंड इज then everyone was very happy, सारा शादी वादी सब कुछ हो गया, everyone was very happy in Ayodhya। and then दशरथ decides कि अभी I will retire, अभी तो मेरा you know son has also got married, उसकी शादी भी हो गई है, now I can give the entire kingdom to Ram to handle, and everybody is very happy कि अभी राम को मैं सौंप दूंगा ये सब। and then what happens, सब अनाउंस कर देते, ही कंसल्ट्स ब्राह्मण्स एंड ही कंसल्ट्स सेजेस कि अभी इज इट ओके दैट आई हैंड माय किंगडम टू राम, एवरीवन सेज ओके यस। एंड राम तो सबका एकदम डियरेस्ट होता है, सारे अयोध्या वासियों का राम तो एकदम डियरेस्ट होता है, सो एवरीवन इज वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन द अनाउंसमेंट वाज मेड कि राम विल बी कोरोनेटेड एज अ किंग, राम को राजा बनाया जाएगा, तो एवरीवन वाज वेरी हैप्पी, वेरी हैप्पी। तो जब भी अभी उसमें कैसे, अभी हमारे पिक्चर में कैसे होता है कि एकदम कुछ कहानी में ट्विस्ट आ जाती है ना, सब कुछ एकदम मस्त चल रहा होता है और सडनली कुछ तो ऐसा घटना हो जाता है कि सब कुछ कहानी में ट्विस्ट आ जाती है। व्हाट हैपेंड इज दैट Kaikai was the youngest wife of Dashrath. She was she used to love Ram. She used to treat Ram as her son, and Ram also used to treat her as her mother. They used to love each other very nicely. Their motherly love and was very the bond was very good bond. But what happened is ये कैकई है ना, कैकई की एक मेड थी एंड उसका मेड का नाम था मंथरा। Now कैकई was very dearest to दशरथ, वो दशरथ की बहुत मतलब तीनों wives में से he liked कैकई the most because कैकई was very beautiful and all that, and कैकई was very good at other हाँ
Mataji, who is Kaikai?
कैकई is Dashratha's wife. Okay, दशरथ की थर्ड वाइफ का नाम था कैकई, so he liked her a lot. और कैकई कोई एक फेवरेट मेड थी जिसका नाम था मंथरा। मंथरा ना हंचबैक था, वो ऐसे ऐसे झुक के चलती थी, आप देख रहे हो ना मंथरा कैसे झुकी हुई चलती है। तो उसको क्या लगा कि अगर राम वो राजा बन गया तो कौशल्या जो राम की मदर है वो एकदम स्ट्रांग बन जाएगी, फिर तो मुझे कोई भाव ही नहीं देगा। आज मुझे भाव इसके लिए मिल रहा है क्योंकि मैं कैकई की मेड हूँ और कैकई दशरथ को सबसे प्यारी है, तो इसके लिए मुझे भी सब भाव देते हैं। अगर इसको राम बन गया तो कौशल्या को भाव मिलेगा और फिर मेरे में तो कोई पूछेगा ही नहीं। और ना ये मंथरा जो हंचबैक था ना, इसका पीठ का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था ना, सब उसका से मजाक उड़ाते थे, एवरीवन यूज्ड टू क्रैक जोक्स ऑन हर। सो देन शी थॉट अभी कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा मुझे, I will not be in a good position. So then उसको लगा कुछ तो अभी करना पड़ेगा। Then what did she do? उसने ना वो गई कैकई के पास, ऐसा एकदम गुस्से से एकदम कैकई के पास गई। उसने बोला तेरे को पता है क्या हो रहा है? तो उसने बोला क्या हो रहा है? राम दशरथ ने सब जगह अनाउंस कर दिया है कि राम विल बिकम द किंग। अच्छा, राम राजा बन रहे हैं, वाओ आई एम सो हैप्पी। ऐसे कैकई बोलने लगी, अरे तेरी मती मारी गई है। मंथरा टोल रहा है, तेरे को समझ में आ रहा है तो क्या बोल रही है? वो भरत को नहीं राम को बना रही है राजा, राम को। कहती अच्छा तो ठीक ही है ना, तो राम सबसे बड़ा बेटा है तो राम ही राजा बनेगा ना, और कौन राजा बनेगा? तेरे को तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, यू आर बिग फूल, आई एम टेलिंग यू हैव नो पॉलिटिकल सेंस। उसने बोला अरे राम अगर राजा बनेगा तो तू जो सबसे प्यारी है दशरथ की, कौशल्या विल बिकम क्लोज टू एवरीवन and everyone will then what will happen is Ram will become the king, and after few days his son will become the king, so Bharat will never become a king, right? So if you तो उसने उसको इतना समझाया कि तू जो कर रही है वो गलत है, you should make Bharat as a king। अभी वो राम बनेगा तो फिर उसको तो भेज देगा, वो मार डालेगा, भेज देगा फॉरेस्ट में, तो क्या करेगी तू? तो तेरा तो पूरा तो वाट लग जाएगा। बोली राम क्यों करेगा ऐसा? तो बोलती है कि देख आज भरत, so what happened is that point in time Bharat and Shatrugna they had gone to their maternal uncle's place, मतलब अपने मामा के घर गए थे। तो बोलती है देख ये when was this announcement done? जब ये दोनों घर पे नहीं है, मतलब ये सारा पूरा इनका गेम प्लान है इसके लिए कि वो भरत के बिना ही राम को राजा बना देंगे। एंड देन शी कंप्लीटली परवर्टेड, उसको पूरा विकेडली उसको पूरा माइंड चेंज कर दिया। Okay, and then she said that you should what, then she realized हाँ, थोड़ी देर के बाद उसको भी ऐसे लगने लगा हाँ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा अगर राम राजा बनेगा तो। then she said what should I do? then she said you have two boons, तेरे पास दशरथ ने तेरे को 2 वरदान मांगने का चॉइस दिया था, तो आज वो दिन है तेरे को यूज करने का है। तेरे को क्या boon मांगने का है? एक boon मांगने का है कि भरत should be made the king. और second boon you should ask is that Ram should be sent to Vanvas for 14 years. She said, what? To Vanvas for 14 years? Why? उसको क्यों भेजना है जंगल में? राम और भरत को राजा बना दिया, अपना काम तो हो गया, उसको क्यों भेजना है वनवास में? तो she said, no, you are not understanding what I am telling you. Baba, if Bharat is there, then Ram, everyone will listen to Ram. भरत का कोई सुनेगा ही नहीं, फिर भरत अपना दिखा कैसे पाएगा वो राजा है करके? और भरत सब हमेशा राम को जाके पूछेगा, भैया आप बताओ मैं क्या करूं? तो फिर भरत का तो फिर राजा को तो कुछ मतलब ही नहीं रहा ना। और 14 साल हो जाएंगे, भरत दूर रहेगा, so then Bharat can show everyone that I can become the king, and Bharat can win everyone's heart. So that is why we should send Bharat to forest, to Ram to forest. Then he said, हाँ बराबर बोला तूने, you are right. तो देखो सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. There was such a nice loving relationship, right, between everyone. All the mothers were loving everyone, all the sons so nicely. But see, she put some this wicked lady. What did she do? She put some plot in her mind, right? Now, what did Kaikai do? Kaikai actually, what did she do is she went to Dashrath, and Dashrath के पास जाती है और दशरथ को बोलती है कि I want to, मुझे वो 2 वरदान चाहिए जो मुझे आपने दिए थे. एक तो है कि मेरे भरत को राजा बनाओ और इसको निकाल दो, 14 साल इसको भेज दो वनवास में. She got Dashrath got very shocked. What are you saying? I can't even live for 1 second without Ram, and you're telling him to send to out of Ayodhya for 14 years, and that too in the forest. Are you crazy? He cried, he begged. He said, no, I can't do this. Please don't do this to me. I am falling at your feet. Please hear to me. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me.
Mataji,
Yeah.
Kaikai was the wife of the Dashrath na?
हाँ, मैंने कुछ गलत बोला क्या? अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो. So then he got so he begged, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. He said, I can't allow this to happen. Then she said, no, you have given me a word. You have to stick to your word. She said, no, but you are asking me anything. How can I stick to my word? She said, we will give you this place, and we will shift our kingdom to the forest. We will go along with Ram to in the forest. I cannot live with this and all that. He begged, and as he was begging, Kaikai was getting very angry. She said, no, you have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. And then what happened is she called Ram. Then Kaikai said, call Ram and tell him that this is what Dashrath wants to do. And then the Sainik called his servants. They called Ram, and then he was crying. Dashrath was crying. Ram came there, and Ram asked, what happened to father? Why is he so upset? Then Kaikai said, Ram, your father wants that Bharat should become the king, and you should go to the forest for 14 years. तो कहते इतना ही बात है ना, तो ठीक है, let Bharat become the king. उसमें क्या है, मुझे कोई राजा वाजा नहीं बनना, which is fine. So then Kaikai was little shocked, and ऐसे कैसे उसको बनने का नहीं है राजा वाजा. So ठीक है. So then she said, okay, then you go, pack your bag and you go. So then Dashrath was crying, Ram, are you understanding that cheating you? See what this lady is saying. She wants you to banish. She wants to banish you to the forest and all that. So and then what happened is then Ram and Sita said, no, I will also come with you. Then Lakshman said, I also cannot live without you. So Ram, Sita and Lakshman, they all board a chariot, and then they go to the forest. Dashrath cries, please don't go. जब भी वो रथ के पीछे रथ निकलता है, तो then Dashrath cries. He runs behind the chariot. He runs behind the rath, and then he falls down, and then eventually he leaves his body. So Dashrath then dies in all this, right? So learning for us is, अभी इसके आगे की स्टोरी हम लोग बाद में नेक्स्ट सेशन में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. But see, there are a lot of learnings from this story, right? What are these learnings? Now, Kaikai's mind was earlier not very. She was loving. She was loving Ram, right? But later on, suddenly, some lady, she came and she poisoned her mind. बराबर, हमारे साथ भी ऐसे ही होता है ना, हमारे साथ हमको कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देगा तो, and then he tells us something, and then suddenly we will start believing that, right? We will start believing in wrong things, and then we will fall into the trap and we will make wrong decisions, right? In this case, कैकेयी ने गलत डिसीजन लिया, उससे क्या हो गया, right? She lost love of her husband. बराबर, Dashrath, who was loving Kaikeyi the most, Dashrath said, "You are not my wife. You don't deserve to be my wife." She lost love of her husband. Not only she lost love of her husband, she lost her husband also, because her husband died immediately after Ram left for Vanvas. Right? Now, what mistake did Kaikeyi do? Kaikeyi did two mistakes. She, when Manthara was telling her something, she heard, उसने बस सुन लिया मंथरा क्या बोलती है. What she should have done is she should have consulted elders, she should have consulted sages, she should have consulted shastras. अगर वो ऐसा करती तो ये सारा पूरा रामायण नहीं होता. She would have been able to take right decision, but she was not able to take right decision because किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, उसने वो समझ लिया, and then she acted accordingly. Whenever you are confused or whenever someone is feeding you with wrong things, always consult your elders, because when we are not in a position to take decision, when we are confused, you should check with a guru, we should refer to your parents, we should check with our elders whom we trust. Okay, parents, we should check with our parents who will give us who will help us take right choices, right? And when you will not come into this, everyone comes into this confused situation, but in this confused situation, what helps? Our sadhana helps us to take right decision. When you chant, right, when you hear scriptures, when you study Bhagavad Gita, it helps you to take right decisions at right time, right? That is why it is very important, so that you will not get distracted by wrong things. You will not get disturbed by, अभी कोई भी कुछ भी बोलता है तो हम उससे डिस्टर्ब नहीं होंगे, राइट? हमको पता, हमको फिर वो इंटेलिजेंस मिलेगा कि नहीं, मुझे अपने गुरु से पूछना है, मुझे पेरेंट्स से पूछना है, मैं अपने आप डिसीजन नहीं लूंगा. कैकेयी ने क्या किया? कैकेयी ने, मंथरा ने उसको सिखाया, राइट? रॉन्ग थिंग शी टोल्ड हर एंड कैकेयी टुक रॉन्ग डिसीजन, राइट? We can avoid such wrong decisions in our life. Always remember, जब भी हम लोग confuse होंगे, humbly talk with your parents, discuss with your parents, right? They will help you take right decision. Talk with the God, talk with Lord. He will help you take right decision. How will God talk with you? He will give you intelligence in your heart, right? You will realize कि नहीं, मुझे भगवान ही बोल रहे हैं. And how will you know भगवान क्या बोल रहे हैं? Because when whatever action you do, if that is pleasing Krishna, right? Whatever action you do, if the result is that it will please Krishna, then that is right thing to do. If you think that uska consequence, uska result is not going to please Krishna, right? Then you should not perform that act, right? सिंपल सी बात है. अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो तो आपको बस इतना देखना है कि कृष्णा खुश होंगे कि नहीं होंगे मैं करने से. अगर नहीं होंगे तो हमें नहीं करनी है वो चीज, राइट? एंड व्हेन यू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, एंड व्हेन अगर आपको अगर आपको बी के बारे में आपका फ्रेंड आपके कुछ बोल रहा है तीसरे के बारे में, तो कि उसने पता है तेरे बारे में ऐसे बोल रहा था वो, राइट? वो ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा था, उसने आपको ऐसे बोला, बट डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट एट फेयर वैल्यू, राइट? थिंक कि उसने वो बराबर भी बोल रहा है कि नहीं बोल रहा है, ऐसे झगड़ा लगा रहा है अपने आप लोगों में, राइट? Don't take things at face value. Think before you act and take decisions only that iska result will please Krishna. Okay? And whenever you realize that whatever you have done is wrong, don't hesitate to say sorry. Don't hesitate to apologize, because these are magic words. ये सारे magic words जो हमने सब हमारी अगर अनजाने से गलती हो गई तो don't hesitate to use magic words. Sorry, thank you. Yeah, don't hesitate. These are magic words. Okay. ठीक है, I'll put up the poll. Okay, now everyone ready for the poll?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Come on, I'm launching the poll.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Papa, Paul.
Yes.
Paul. Oh, sorry. Papa, sorry.
हाँ इससे कुछ क्लासेस चल रही थी। ये सेंट्रल अंग्रेजी में चल रही थी। नहीं चलता तो जाए पर वो भाई साहब पिक्चर है।
Whatever we discuss, that only we are going to. That is what is asked here.
Mataji, have you launched the poll? Because I didn't got
Yes,
it.
yes, I have launched the poll. Everyone is doing it. 20% people already attempted.
And
Mataji, I didn't got it.
You can see it on your screen.
family.
No, Mataji, it is not coming.
I don't know why it is not coming. 40% have already attempted. अभी आ रहा है?
आप मत दबाओ.
No, Mataji.
You can
That
just.
pop-out is only not coming.
अरे पता नहीं.
बहुत बढ़िया।
अच्छा, अभी चल जाते हैं.
And
ऐसे मत करा करो आप मत. Mataji, only 4 polls are there.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, there are only 4.
Yes, yes.
Mataji, how much more time?
It's done almost. In the last 5 minutes, I just have to make an announcement, and then we are done. Just give me another 3 minutes. Done the poll. Okay, we will just wait for another 10 seconds, and I will end the poll. Okay.
Mataji, can you one time relaunch the poll?
I will relaunch the poll. 1 second now.
Option number
Done, Mataji. Done, Mataji.
Okay,
Done,
I'm ending
Mataji.
the poll. Yes, I will end the poll. I will share the results. And, Indranil, can you see the poll now?
No, Mataji, I'm not able to see the results also.
Arey baap re. Okay, I'll launch the poll again. Okay, but before that, because if I launch it again, all these results will go away. Okay, chalo, let us see the answers. What choices did Kaikai have after hearing from Manthara? Accept what Manthara has told or consult some senior person in the family? This is very disappointing. Okay, इतना मैंने बोलने के बाद भी आपने बोला accept what Manthara told her to do. It should be consulting some senior person ना. पूरा रामायण इसके कारण हुआ कि उसने Kaikai का सुना.
But Mataji.
Okay, his perspective, it's actually accept what Mantra told her to do. In the story, it was like that. We will.
Yes.
Mataji, but the question is, what choice did
What was the right choice?
Kaikai have?
In the story, KK had accepted what Mantra told her
Yeah,
to do.
the story said.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, but what the right choice was that she could have ideally consulted a senior person. So maybe the question you did not understand, but the right choice that Kaikai should have had exercised. मतलब उसने क्या करना चाहिए था.
Miss Mia Mihika Mataji Mia Mihika put the option that they should consult a senior.
Yeah, very nice. So what we should do is we should consult senior person or our guru. Okay? Maybe many of you did not understand the question. That is fine. Okay. How can we ensure that we are able? Correct answer is we should consult senior person in the family. But I think many of you did not understand the question that what is the right choice that Kaikai should have had exercised.
I thought, Mataji, I thought that we have to click on what choice did Kaikai made actually.
Okay. Then thank you. Then how can we ensure that we are able to take right decisions when we are confused? Yeah, almost everyone said the right thing. If the result of the decision is taken to please Krishna, then we should do it, else we should not do it. Very nice. What should I do when I realize that what I had done was wrong? Say sorry or apologize. Very good. That is the right answer. Then what should we do so that we do not behave like Ravana? We should understand our duties. We should love God and His creation. We should help everyone, chant His holy name. So answer is all of the above. Okay. So good, everyone. Very nice. We will continue this story next time. The class doesn't end here. Wait for 5 minutes. We will continue our story next time. Okay, and we will learn all these things like we learned Ravana, how Ravana is there in all of us. We learned how we should not behave like Ravana. We learned how we should, what we should do when we are in confused situation, right? We should think before we act, right? We should consult. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे learnings है रामायण में. We are going to see it over a period of time, and we will also understand the story. एक second, Shreyasi. So in next 3-4 sessions we are going to do that. Now अभी आप सबको most of you have got the prices. Okay, रामायण book आपको मिली है बराबर? सबको मिली है almost.
रामायण
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. We got a certificate and the Ramayana book.
Hold on. So on 1st of May, we have an active, not 1st of May, on 1st of May, we are going to have an activity, very likely on 1st of May, or we might have to defer it by a week or so. आप सबको 3 minute की story बनानी है. Whatever story you like from Ramayana, whichever story you like from Ramayana, you are going to narrate that story in 3 minutes.
Mataji, but I don't have Ramayana.
Achha, so you just message me. I will see how we can send it to you.
And I don't think I'll be able to come on first May because it's my grandfather's birthday.
Achha, ठीक है, no worries. So we will tentative day 1st May. Listen carefully. See, we have to say 3 minutes की story हमको बतानी है. Any story that you like from now. And you can do voice modulation. आप dialogue बोल सकते हो. आप एक play की तरह बोल सकते हो. You can also form a group and perform a 3 minutes play. आप अपने friends के साथ भी group बना के 3 minutes का, but 3 minutes 3 minutes is the timeline. It will help your public speaking skills. It will help your vocabulary. It will please Lord Ram because you are going to talk about his pastime. ठीक है?
कशाबद्दल स्किट करायचं?
रामायणामधली कुठली पण एक स्टोरी पिकअप करायची आणि 3 मिनिटाचं त्याच्याबद्दल बोलायचंय.
आपण मित्र पण आणू शकतो.
तुला जर रामायण मिळाली असेल ना,
ओके,
जर तुला रामायण आणि सर्टिफिकेट मिळालं असेल ना, तर त्याच्यामधली एक स्टोरी तू
माझ्याकडे क्वेश्चन आहे.
बोलायची.
माताजी, माझ्याकडे क्वेश्चन आहे.
हा बोल ना.
तर आम्ही वाचून
नाही वाचून नाही म्हणू शकत. You will have to learn the story and you will have to recite it. You can say it in your own words. असं नाही की तुला अगदी रट्टाच मारायचं. You can say it in your own words.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
I have not got the Ramayana book yet.
Who is that?
Shreyasi. Mataji, I am Amok. Thank you for.
अच्छा, so in another 2 minutes we are going to show you nice few clippings. हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ये किया था. Around 30 people Krishna kids had performed Ramayana drama last year. तो हम आप उसको clippings दिखाएंगे in next 5 minutes. Okay? So just be
Mataji, I was there as a spectator.
I know.
That was the day when I joined the classes.
Mataji.
Yeah.
I was telling that, is there today any quiz?
No, there is no quiz because we wanted to share the clippings of the drama that all the kids did, Krishna kids did.
ओके माताजी.
हो ना, पण आहे कुठे स्वरा कुठला? अच्छा, मिहिकाच्या नावाने लॉग इन झाली. ओके, आय एम जस्ट वंडरिंग. ओके, जा जा
Mataji, you are logged in as Mihika and Swara.
माताजी.
that I was searching. Yeah, just bear with us for 2 minutes, okay? There's a very nice clipping. Krish, you were also there, no, that time? No, Krish was in Mayapur. Yeah. Dakshita was there, right? But few clippings only up to the extent that we have covered today, that we will show today, okay? उसके बाद हम लोग वापस आपको दिखाएंगे आगे वाली clippings.
Mataji, I cannot see.
Yes, Zui Didi is sharing. Zui, are you ready?
Saw his 4 sons grow into handsome and mighty princes. One day, when Ram was 16, his father was explaining the history of their dynasty.
So you see, my dear Ram and Lakshman, our dynasty comes down from the sun god himself. We've had many kings who ruled our land.
Sage Vishwamitra comes to meet King Dashrath.
Your holy seat, bless our city. Blessings to you, O king. May you live a long and noble life.
Pranam Vishwamitra Muni. Pranam Vishwamitra Muni.
Blessings to you.
ठीक है ना, क्या हो गया?
I have come to make a request to you. Tell me, what is it you require? Land.
Now see Manthara and Kaikai. Manthara and Kaikai's dialogue we'll see.
The sacrifice is about to begin. Okay, Ram.
Now let us see what happens in the assembly of Dashrath Maharaj.
These are all our Krishna kids, okay? They had performed this drama last year, April. No, last year.
She surprised me. Goes to meet
This is the
her
dialogue between Kaikai and Manthara.
in such a peaceful and relaxed mood. She speaks to Kaikai in an agitated voice. Let us hear the conversation between Kaikai and Manthara.
Disaster is about to hit you. Are you so deluded by a husband's weak words that you do not understand what is happening right in front of your eyes? What is the matter, Manthara? What are you talking about? Dear Kaikai, do you not know that King Dashrath is going to install Rama as the successor king of Ayodhya? Don't you still see the problem? He is now sneaking into us and sent Karta away so that he can become his pet son. If Rama becomes a king, you and your son Bharata will find yourself drowning in an ocean of suffering. Thank you, Manthara, for telling this wonderful news to me. I am extremely happy and overjoyed to hear that the kingdom of Ayodhya is looking to able hands of Prince Ram. And just so you know that I don't make any distinction between my son Bharata and Kaushalya son Ram. For being the first one to deliver this wonderful news to me, I will give you magnificent gifts.
So these were the clippings, of our Krishna Kids Ramayana story. We will share the link with you on Krishna Kids group. Watch it, yeah, everyone. Today we will share.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, have a look at it. And everyone, please start preparing for the activity.
Mataji. Mataji.
रुजुता
मौसी
Activity
कधी है?
Activity will be in either on 1st May or first week of May.
Mataji.
Okay. सो एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट मई को रह गया, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ मई को रहेगी। 3 मिनट का आपको बोलना है ऑन एनी स्टोरी दैट यू लाइक फ्रॉम रामायण। ओके, आप अच्छे से ड्रेस करके आ सकते हो, मतलब आप रामायण का कोई भी कैरेक्टर का आप अच्छे से ड्रेस करके आ सकते हो, आप डायलॉग्स बोल सकते हो, आप अपने फ्रेंड के साथ 3 मिनट का प्ले बना सकते हो, लेकिन आपको रामायण से ओके, वेरी नाइस, प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट। You're participating, right? Yes. So please, every one of you, please participate. Start preparing. I can help each one of you. I can help. Hold on, Amog. 1 second, Amog. I can help each one of you to do voice modulations. I can train you in all that. आप अपनी story बनाओ, आप अपना write up बनाओ. I will help you in that. Okay? ठीक है, स्टार्ट प्रिपेयर।
माता जी आप ग्रुप में डाल सकते हो ये एक्टिविटी?
हाँ मैं डाल देती हूँ, जो भी है ना इसका डिटेल्स आई विल पुट इट।
माता जी
क्या
बिफोर फर्स्ट में वी हैव टू सबमिट इट?
नहीं, हम पूरा प्रोग्राम रखेंगे यूट्यूब पे, आप सब लोग प्रेजेंट करोगे, ठीक है? लेकिन हम लोग उस पे पहले प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे। ओके, तो आपका मतलब परफॉर्मेंस एकदम बेस्ट हो करके हम लोग पहले प्रैक्टिस भी करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डू इट ऑन यूट्यूब। ओके, लाइव ऑन यूट्यूब।
ओके माता जी।
ओके, yeah Amog, you were saying something. So the class ends here. Okay, and you can start preparing, and we will continue our story on Ramayana from next time onwards. Okay,
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, थैंक यू माता जी, बाय माता जी।
थैंक यू माता जी, बाय।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, बाय माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
bye beta।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
माता जी आई लीव।
Yes Amog, what are you saying?
लीव।
Amog आप बेटा क्या बोल रहे थे? You can all leave now.
माता जी, thank you for
For what?
giving certificate.
Oh, okay, I saw your lovely picture. Thanks for sharing your picture. It was very nice to see you. Okay, Krish, तेरा भी फोटो भेज।
कौन सी स्टोरी बोलूं माता जी?
कौन सा भी स्टोरी बोलना बेटा, आप मम्मी को पूछना, नहीं तो मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगी। ओके, आपके पास अभी बुक आई है ना, मम्मी को पूछना मैं कौन सा स्टोरी बोलूं, आई विल हेल्प यू। ठीक है?
ओके, हरि बोल।
ओके, Aditri, Keshav, you can all prepare for the
हरि
story.
बोल।
Bye, beta. Yes, you can leave. Yes, Rakshita.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, बाय माता जी।
Want to be what?
I want to be Rama.
Hare Krishna. Rakshita, what do you want to be?
Rama.
Rama. Okay, then you can do some story of Rama. Okay. Good. Chalo then. Bye. Thank you everyone. Have a nice week. Have a nice
बाय
weekend.
माता जी, हरे कृष्ण माता
Bye.
जी।
कृष्ण माता जी, बाय।
Bye Aditri. Bye Krish. Bye Shreyasi. Bye Amaya. Bye Kayush. Bye Dakshita. Bye Unnati. Bye Mahir and Trisha.
बाय माता जी।
Bye beta. I'm ending the meeting. Okay.